Hi there, Richard Matharoo here. So do you want a simple explanation to what network marketing is, how it works? Maybe you are someone looking to join a network marketing company or someone you know has, you want to know what is it all about, or maybe you just got started and you want a much simpler way to explain this to other people so that you can pique their interest. Whatever it is your reason, I'll give you a simple explanation. You're free to take it from me and use it for yourself. It's coming right up in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. So all network marketing is a particular type of business model. There is a traditional type of business which we are all accustomed to, right? There are the owners of the company. They hire the CEOs, they have the national managers, the regional managers, the shop store managers, and they hire their employees right down to the shop floor. They're all paid a fixed wage. There are some bonuses maybe, some roles that don't have bonuses. And that's it. That's the way the business is run. The way that they bring customers to that business is they will go out there and they'll advertise TV, magazines, radio, publications, leaflets. They do all those kind of good things, right? And that's the way the business is run. Now, network marketing is an alternative type of a business model. Now, you imagine if Walmart, for example, Asda for my UK friends, imagine if they decided one day and said, you know what, we don't want to do this business anymore. We don't want to advertise, pay for leaflets, pay for radio, give all that money away. How about instead we stop paying our staff an hourly rate, but what we say to them is, anybody that you bring into the store, we're going to give you 10% of what they spend on their shopping. So if you invite your friend John down and John at the till puts your name into that computer system, we'll give you a code, they scan this code, then we're going to track that and we'll give you 10%. Now we're not going to give you anything per hour, but you can earn as much as you want. You can refer as many people as you want. Not only that, because you invited John in, if John invites his friends in, we're going to give you 5% of what they spend. Now, we can't do this forever. Maybe we'll give you 5 or 6 levels deep, but 10% of everybody you recommend, 5%, then 3%, then 2%, then 1%. And we'll do that for anybody that comes in. Now, if you're smart, you go, wow, like if people are spending like $150, $200 a week, that's like $20 per week for every person. That's $80. Now, if I want to earn a couple of thousand, I don't really need to refer that many people, and they're going to go shopping anyway. Wow, let me think of some people, let me make a list, let me find some people and advertise it this way. So what the company is doing is, it's willing to give away some of its profit, but it's reducing its overhead because there's no physical fixed costs, and its advertising budget has just been slashed because the representatives are doing the advertising for them. Now, you may listen to that and go, that sounds fantastic, that sounds a great idea. Or you may listen to that and go, that sounds terrible, I prefer the other business model. That's fine. The owners of network marketing companies, they've made their choice. They decided that that's the way they want to build their company. They want to hire independent representatives. They're going to empower them to make referrals of their product, and they're going to pay them for those sales. They're going to give a percentage away, and they'll pay them on multiple levels of recommendations. That's network marketing in a nutshell. Very simple, very ethical. It empowers the representatives and it reduces many of the overheads and running costs of the company itself. Now, people often say, well, wow, when I explain it that way, they go, okay, that makes sense. It's pretty simple. Whether I agree with it or not, it makes sense. Why is it that then it has such a bad reputation? If that's all that it is, that just that simple switch of instead of an hourly rate, paying on commission basis and all those type of good things. Well, the problem isn't often network marketing companies. It's often individuals. See, whenever there are human beings, there are good and there are bad. There are legal and there are illegal. Same with what you would call traditional companies. Same with any business you go into, right? There are people that are doing things well. There are people that are doing things illegally. And it's the same in network marketing. So you have some fantastic companies, but you have some bad people doing bad things as well. And then in any company, there is typically a traditional way to try and build. So what you have is you have a lot of people who have no business experience, even in good companies, that are kind of brainwashed by this traditional 70-year-old methods, and that's the same thing that they're doing right now. They're pestering friends and family. They're not sales trained. They don't have any kind of advertising or marketing ability. So there's no pressure. This will be good for you. Why don't you get in? I don't understand this. And it forms this friction. So that's the two major issues with network marketing. Number one, just like in anything in life, you can get bad people, so you can get bad companies. And number two, even in good companies, you can get poorly trained people who are just doing things the wrong way, using pressure, and are completely out their depth. Now, if you're in a position where you are in a network marketing company, you think, okay, I can explain it well, but I don't really know how to bring people in. I can't seem to do things in a smooth way. I don't know how to find people outside of my initial friends and family. Then I highly recommend attending a free web class that I've got running this week. You can go to www.richardmatharoo.com/YouTube. It's across the screen right now. It's also in the top couple of lines beneath here. If you're too lazy to type and you just want to click, I'll teach you how I sponsor 30 to 50 brand new team members every single month in only 45 minutes per day. Completely predictable. There's a few things that you need to have in place to make that a reality. Of course, you've got to put some work in, but I'll teach you that for absolutely free. I'll even give you a free success strategy workbook worth $297 simply for attending. So I hope you've enjoyed my explanation today. Feel free to take that. Give people that example. I like to use Walmart or Asda or a big company because they can understand that. And if you say, hey, imagine if they did this to their employees, they go, I can understand that change as well. So giving them something that they understand and filtering in the new information works really, really well. Hope it's given you a useful way to kind of explain things to other people. And I'll hopefully see you on that web class as well. As I said, it's completely free. As always, go create a day in a life that counts. Always have more desires than excuses. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.